What do you want me to say?
Shout out to my boy Germ.
It doesn't turn no more. Go ahead, give your intro.
Oh yeah, it's your boy Germ, you know, what's up?
Check it out. We got another package right here. Gonna open this bad boy up.
Right now, when Tech finishes, tell everybody what's.
I watch every single video on YouTube.
Alright, so we got a new clipper here, the STYLECRAFT Super Torque Apex. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it look like. Let's check that out right there. So here is the clipper. Check it out. Alright, let's see what else comes in this box. We got the charging stand in here. Well, y'all see it, I can't get it out, but there's a charging stand. The dub guards. We got the charging cable. You know, the STYLECRAFT screwdriver. We got the manual we don't ever read. And then we got another lid. That's basically what comes in the box. Here is the clipper. Once again, y'all see it comes with a fade blade on it. Click lever. We're gonna get this to go and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think. Let's go. Here we are.
I made a joke about him, right? He was still like, man, I got something to do.
Alright guys, so I just got home from the shop. As you've seen, your boy was putting to use this new STYLECRAFT Apex. Take a look at that. And I do want to apologize about the first clips. You know, we was at the shop, we was having a good time, you know what I'm saying? So the audio might not be the best, I gotta go back and check. But nonetheless, I do want to apologize for that. So before anything guys, I want to show y'all the box. Like I said, I know I did a brief unboxing earlier, but I really didn't get into the box. So here is the box right here. That's the front. And then here is the back. So let's go ahead and read some of the stuff that it has on here. So as y'all can see, it has the STYLECRAFT logo, SC Pro, Super Torque Apex, professional modular metal clippers with super torque motor. Here it is right there, the Apex. So let's go ahead and get into some of the specs. Black diamond fade blade, stays cooler, rust free, and sharper longer. Tight or stretch taper bracket kits for long or shorter taper option. So it does come with the stretch bracket. Complete set of 8 premium dub magnetic guards. Comes with the dubs. Full metal clipper provides 4 hours of continuous runtime and includes a charging stand, includes cleaning kit, maintenance kit, mini screwdriver, spare cam follower, spare screws, and stretch taper bracket. So once again guys, here it is. So then we got some little bullet points right here. I'm gonna go ahead and read these to you real quick. Super Torque Advanced Japanese Rotary Motor, runs at 7,200 strokes per minute. Tight or stretch taper bracket kits for long or short taper modifications. Use a stretch bracket with floating lever to extend taper to a full 1. Modular taper control system with floating or click taper level options. Fully adjustable fade blade, can easily zero gap for closest cut and finish. Lithium ion battery delivers 4 hours of cordless runtime, 2 hours to recharge. Lightweight, deep, slim cutter design allows faster blade movement and enhanced cutting performance. Heavy duty, full metal body with modular transparent motor showcase option, and includes the 8 magnetic guards. So basically that's what this box says right here. As you see, it's got some more stuff down here. Basically is what I read. Lithium ion battery. You can zero gap it, super torque. You can put the extra lid on it to make it see-through. You can put a stretch bracket or leave the regular bracket on there. Click lever or freestyle lever. Heavy duty full metal body casing. Black DLC blade and 7,200 RPM motor speed. So with all that said, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this clipper on for y'all. So remember guys, a lot of times the mics pick up these clippers a lot louder. I did post a video on Instagram of this clipper and everyone was like, oh, it sounds louder. I thought it was gonna be quieter, but it's really not that loud, you know what I'm saying? Like I actually have other clippers here that I'm compared to real quick for y'all. But here is the STYLECRAFT Mythic. So yes, the STYLECRAFT Mythic is a quieter clipper, but I just wanted to show y'all the difference between that one and the Apex so y'all can get a little sound difference and understand what I'm trying to say. And here is the STYLECRAFT Saber. So the Saber sounds more like the Apex. So I'm gonna turn them both on back to back. That is the Apex, and this is the Saber. So they sound pretty similar. I know the Saber has a brushless motor, and I'm assuming this one has a rotary motor. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure it's not a magnetic motor. You know, you can pretty much tell once you turn on the clipper if it's magnetic or not. And this is not a magnetic motor, so I'm assuming that it's going to be a rotary motor. And with that being said, guys, I feel like it's going to be a pretty good clipper. I do like the candy red on it, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's just super dope to me. I really like the color of it, the black and red. I don't know, man. There's something about that candy red that just stands out to me, you know what I'm saying? So I really like the color of it a lot. It's not as heavy as the Mythic. So side by side, the Mythic is slightly heavier. It's more like the Saber, you know, give or take. I don't have nothing to weigh this clipper out, but you know, other than that, guys, it's basically the same body style as the Mythic and the Saber. You know, it's got the click lever. You know, the blade extends to a half unless you put the stretch bracket. But yeah, guys, that's basically the clipper. So yeah, guys, it basically comes with the same stuff that the Mythic and the Saber comes with. So I've had a lot of people message me on Instagram asking me, is it the same clipper as the Mythic or the Saber? And it's a different clipper due to having a different motor, but it basically does the same thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I do like the way it cuts. It does cut through hair pretty good. If I had to compare it to another clipper, I would say it's really close to the Saber due to the weight of it, due to the blade of it, and to the motor. It's real similar to that brushless motor. And once again, that's just me assuming what the two different motors are. I'm not 100% sure, but you know, I'm just giving y'all what I think about this clipper. clipper so far. But I do like the way it cuts, like I said, guys. It works really good. I only did 2 haircuts with it, so I can't give y'all a full in-detailed review of it yet. But y'all know how your boy does it, guys. I'm going to continue to use this clipper for about another week or so straight, and I'm going to let y'all know later on. You know, I'm going to give a full detailed review later. But as of right now, this is a great tool. I know a lot of people are upset because they're like, man, I just bought the Saber, or I just bought the Rebel, or this and that. And really, you don't have to buy all these clippers. You know what I'm saying? I'm lucky enough to get them from certain companies and to give y'all a review. And I'm lucky enough to let y'all know my opinion. That way y'all can see, do I want this clipper or not? And once again, guys, these are just my opinions on these clippers. This is not, you know, the go-to. You don't have to live by it or whatever. These are just what I think. Is it a good clipper? Yes. Is it a must cop? I'm not sure yet. You know, I think if you have the STYLECRAFT Saber or the STYLECRAFT Mythic right here, I don't think you really need it, but it is a good option to have if you like collecting clippers, or if you just need a new clipper. It probably is something good to go to. But nonetheless, guys, that's basically it for this video, guys. I didn't want to get too in depth with this clipper, but y'all make sure to smash that like button if y'all like this video. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And remember, guys, y'all stay tuned, because I will be dropping an extensive full review on this clipper later on, so y'all stay tuned, guys. But that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.